Hi guys, I hope you're all doing good today. And today we're going to make strawberry ice cream. Well, I guess I am because it's my recipe. And we're going to make healthy strawberry ice cream. So the ingredients we need is milk. But I'm going to use dairy-free milk. And we're supposed to fill it up to 1 cup. And put some sugar. But actually, you probably never seen this kind of sugar, but it's actually really good in strawberry ice cream. Yeah, but if you eat it plain, yeah, it's not good. It's not good. But I'm gonna use this one, and plus it's the only one we have, so yeah. And we're supposed to 1 tablespoon, and for the sugar, and for the vanilla, we're supposed to use 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon. And we're supposed to use ice. And they say we're supposed to use 4 cups. But actually, I'm only doing 2 cups because we have more strawberries. And plus, it's my recipe. So, I can do what I want with it. And as you can tell, I think there's more ice than strawberries. But they are huge. So, yeah. And before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe to this channel, and let's get to it. Okay. How should we start this? I'm going to start with the milk, plant-based or dairy-free milk, but it does say plant-based milk, so whatever you want to do it. So 1 cup. Just, oh my god, how do I do this? Okay, let's start. That's good enough. Okay, done with that. Let's put the milk in. Okay, we're done with the milk. Let's go on to the. I think I'm gonna do the sugar last, cause yeah, it feels wrong to put the sugar in second. So I'm gonna do the strawberries now, and then the ice, and then the vanilla, and for the final touch, sugar. So. Okay, I didn't want it all to fall out. Okay, now the ice. Okay, yeah, I'm a little scared about this one. I got it. Now the vanilla. Yeah, I'm scared because I have to pour it. I'm just gonna oh, that's perfect. Like, oh. Okay. Felt like I was gonna spill it first, but yeah. Always trust yourself, guys. And I trusted myself. I think we should blend it now. Yeah, maybe not. I'm gonna put the sugar in, and now And then we're gonna blend it, and then I'm gonna do a taste test, and we're gonna leave this out because I don't think we're gonna need this after we blend it. So I'm gonna use it this way so it goes out faster, but I don't want it to get too much. Okay, let's
show you a trick.
Oh no!
Does that fit in there?
No, we're gonna have to
take the lid off.
Yeah. Oh, they put a little in there, but not gonna lie, this looks like baking powder. Seriously, it does. Oh, this is good. Okay, that might seem like a lot of sugar, but just trust the process. So, yeah, and let's blend. I think I want to do that. I want to do that. Can I do it? This is so fun! Oh. It's so loud! Is it good?
20 more seconds. Okay. Yep, keep going.
5 more seconds! Whoa, oh, there's actually not much in there. Okay. Oh, this might be a little damaged. Oh, just a sec. Thank you. Okay. Oh, this looks good. This is, oh my God, with the light. Oh, there's a chunk of ice.
We'll have to blend it a little bit more. Taste it though. See if there's enough strawberry sugar.
We should blend it a little bit more. And a tad bit more sugar.
Tad bit more sugar. You want to put more sugar in it now or later?
And I think we should put more sugar in right now. But we're gonna have to blend it because we just found a chunk of ice. You know, we blended it for like 2 minutes.
Okay. Put some sugar in there.
Okay. Let's just make that. Oh, I don't need that. Oh. That's when I'm not careful. Okay, yeah. This is enough. That's enough.
Actually.
It's getting pretty loud. Over there. She is just like looking at my dog's bed like I think I put too much sugar. touch the pots off, okay? Okay. I'm gonna start real quick to see if there's no chunks of ice. There shouldn't be. There shouldn't be there before.
That looks good.
Oh, oh yeah.
Nicely blended. Yes, that looks
And
good.
I had a soccer game. Oh, I had a soccer game today, and we won 5-2. It was awesome. And
That's awesome.
we played against the blue team, but like they were wearing blue shirts, we were wearing green shirts.
Bussin'?
Okay. And the other game we played against them, then we lost 3-1. But hey, we made a good comeback. This is bussin'. It's bussin', bussin'. Bussin', 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 bussin'. Yeah, it's just really good. Really, 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 really good.
Show them your...
Look at that. A 9-year-old made that. A 9-year-old made that. Ooh, I think this is coming off.